Solution of linear system of equations. In this lesson, we will learn how to find solution for the given linear system of equations by using Microsoft Excel 2010. Let's get started. The given system consists of two equations in two variables. The first equation is 2x plus 7y equal to 3, and second equation of the system is 4x plus 3y equal to 7. We begin solution of this linear system by isolating value of y in both equations, equation 1 as well as equation 2. And we do this isolation of y by transferring all the terms independent of y to the right side of the equation and then dividing by coefficient of y on both sides. Once we complete this procedure, we will get the desired form in which y is isolated on left hand side and everything else has moved to the right side of the equation, and we have labeled those forms as equation 1 and equation 2, which essentially is an equivalent system of linear equation as the given linear system of equations. So for next step toward finding the solution of the given system, we are going to assume any value. That value doesn't have to be solution. We are going to assume any value of x. Let's assume, say, 5. 5 may not be the solution, but we will just assume a value of x for the proposed solution, and against this value of x we will find value of y from equation 1 by entering a formula in the cell H3. So let's start entering the formula. Put equal sign, always that is the indication to Microsoft Excel that we are going to enter a formula. So equal and then negative sign, and then within bracket we're gonna type 2 divided by 7, close the bracket, and then multiplication sign. And then where x is coming from, because we want to calculate value of y against value of x, which is 5 in this case. And where is 5? 5 is in the cell G3. Therefore we can click on G3 cell where the value of x is, and then plus and 3 by 7, 3 divided by 7, and this gives us value of y against x equal to 5. Similarly, we will get value of y for our second equation against this value of x, and by entering a formula equal to negative sign, then start bracket 4 by 3, 4 divided by 3, bracket close, times where is the value of x for which we are going to calculate the value of y, that is again in G3. So G3, then plus 7 divided by 3, and this should give us the second value of y for equation 2. We got this value of y, and now for solution the difference of these values must be equal to 0 because the point of intersection is same for both lines. Therefore there should be no difference in the values of y. So let's click in here and put in a formula that difference minus this number, their difference, what is 3.33 right now, this in fact should be 0. So here we are going to make use of a formula, and that formula will come under the tab data of Microsoft Excel 2010. Click on the tab labeled data, and under data look for the group data tools, and the last command in this group is what if analysis. If you click the little arrow, downward arrow, we will see a method called goal seek method. So we will be using this goal seek method to find out solution for the given system of linear equations. So let's click on goal seek, and the dialog box open, in which the first command is set cell. We have already selected the cell, and this set is for the value. This cell must display the value 0 by changing cell. Like what we are really trying to say here, that in J3 we want the difference of y1 and y2 equal to 0 for whatever value of x can give this difference equal to 0. That because that will be the solution. So by changing cell, we are going to click back to the cell G3 and then click OK, and this should give us the target value is 0, the current value is whatever, and here we got the value of x, which is 1.8181. so these are the coordinates for the solution. The coordinates of the solution are coordinates of solution are equal to the first number. What is the first number? That is, we can copy it from here and put it inside the bracket. Here, Control V, or simply you can type in the number 1.81, comma, and the second y is minus 0.0909. So this is the required solution, and you can highlight this solution by making it bigger, font size bigger, but this is the required solution for the given system of linear equations by using goal seek method of Microsoft Excel 2010.